5 secret tricks to make a guy fall for you. Before starting the video, if you are new here, please subscribe. Have you ever wondered what it takes to make a guy? Are you looking for secret tricks to make him yours? If so, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we will reveal 5 secret tricks to make a guy. From being yourself to playing hard to get, these tips are guaranteed to help you nab the man of your dreams. So, if you're ready to find out how to make a guy fall head over heels for you, watch on. 1. Stop chasing him. In order to make a guy want you more, you need to stop chasing him. This may seem counterintuitive, but it makes perfect sense. The more you chase him, the more he knows that he can have you whenever he wants. This takes away the challenge for him, and as a result, he'll become less interested in you. So how do you go about stopping the chase? The best way is to play hard to get. Don't always be available when he wants to see you or talk to you. Let him wonder what you're up to and why you're not always available. This will keep him guessing and wanting more of your time and attention. 2. Give him competition. If you want to make a guy jealous, give him some competition. Find another guy to flirt with, even if you're not interested in him. This will make the guy you like sit up and take notice. He'll realize that he's not the only one in your life and that he needs to work harder to keep your attention. 3. Arouse his desire for you. In order to make a guy want you, it is important that you first arouse his desire. There are many ways to do this, but some of the most effective include being confident and self-assured in yourself, dressing in a way that makes you look good and feel attractive, flirting with him and being playful, showing interest in him and what he has to say, making him feel special and appreciated. If you can manage to do these things, then it is likely that you will be successful in making a guy want you. 4. Raise your standards. If you want to make a guy fall for you, then you need to raise your standards. That doesn't mean you should become high maintenance or start expecting him to do things that he's not capable of, but it does mean having expectations and communicating them clearly. It's important to be upfront about what you're looking for in a relationship from the beginning. That way, you won't waste your time or his on something that isn't going to work out. If you want something serious, make sure he knows that from the start. And if you're just looking for something casual, be honest about that too. Be confident in yourself and your worth. Know what you deserve and don't settle for anything less. When you show a guy that you're confident and have high standards, it makes him see you as a challenge. He'll have to step up his game to win you over, and that's exactly what you want. 5. Know how to get inside his head. To get inside his head, you need to first understand how men think. Men are visual creatures, so they tend to respond better to visual stimuli. This means that if you want to get his attention, you need to dress in a way that catches his eye. You also need to be aware of the body language you use when you're around him. If you want him to see you as a potential romantic partner, then you need to make sure that your body language is open and inviting, not closed off and unapproachable. In addition to being visual creatures, men are also very logical. They like things that make sense and they're often more comfortable with direct communication than women are. So, if you want to get inside his head, try using simple and direct language when you talk to him. Be clear about what you want and don't beat around the bush. He'll appreciate your straightforwardness and it will make it easier for him to understand what's going on inside your head too. If you want to make a guy, there are some secret tricks that you can use. First, be sure to dress in a way that makes you look good. Next, be confident and flirtatious when you're around him. Finally, take the time to get to know him and find out what he's really interested in. By using these tips, you'll be sure to catch his eye and make him want to get to know you better.